Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Appliance Manuals is probably one of the most underappreciated resources in your home. These manuals are packed with essential information, from troubleshooting common issues to understanding the full capabilities of your appliances. In this video, we'll dive into why having access to your appliance manuals is crucial, how to find them, and how they can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. Get ready to experience a new level of clean. The Pink Stuff effortlessly removes tough stains and grime. It's a versatile solution for various surfaces, delivering sparkling results every time. You will be amazed by its cleaning power. Use it on kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. It's perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, removing stubborn stains without scratching. It leaves surfaces spotless and shiny. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks, making your life easier. Enjoy a clean and polished finish with minimal effort. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. It's a pleasant experience for your senses. What we like. The Pink Stuff is a miracle worker for tackling tough stains. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that works on various surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that effortlessly removes grime and leaves a fresh scent, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The manuals are well organized and easy to understand. The diagrams and illustrations are clear and helpful. The manuals cover a wide range of household appliances. Number 4. Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer, Black, 2.6 quarts. Introducing the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. It uses air crisp technology to deliver delicious, crispy, air-fried food. This air fryer has a non-stick coated surface. Want to try something new? This air fryer comes with a recipe guide. It will help you discover the versatile uses this product can offer. The auto shut-off feature and adjustable timer dial make cooking easy. It ensures your snacks and meals are perfectly cooked every time, preventing overcooking. Cleaning up is a breeze with this air fryer. The non-stick surface offers easy food release, making cleanup simple and quick. Dash products bring families together. This air fryer invites you to enjoy the joy of cooking and eating at home. What we like. This air fryer uses air crisp technology to deliver crispy results. Its compact design is perfect for small spaces, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil, this is a great choice. What people say. The manuals are well organized and easy to follow. The diagrams and illustrations are clear and helpful. The manuals cover a wide range of household appliances. Number 3. Wiring, 8th Updated Edition, Creative Homeowner. Are you ready to tackle your home's electrical needs? This guide is perfect for anyone looking to do it themselves. It covers everything from simple repairs to more complex installations. This edition has you covered. It provides clear instructions for a variety of projects. Whether you're upgrading switches or installing new lighting, it's all here. The guide includes detailed, step-by-step photos. They make it easy to follow along and ensure you complete each task correctly. You'll find it incredibly helpful. This is the latest edition, so you know it's up to date. It reflects current electrical codes and best practices. It's a must-have resource for any homeowner. Published by Creative Homeowner, a trusted name in DIY guides. It's designed to empower you to take control of your home's electrical systems. Get ready to start your project. What we like. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for DIY home electrical installations and repairs. The updated edition includes the latest codes and practices. If you're a homeowner looking to tackle electrical projects yourself, this book is an invaluable resource. What people say. Very informative and easy to read instructions with photos. With the colored pictures and overall view, I understood what I needed to do in less than a minute. Great guide, especially for the DIY. This is a full-size book with lots of clear-colored pictures and great technical data. The print is clear and easy to read. All the information follows the National Electrical Code. Number 2. RSMeans, How Your House Works. This visual guide helps you understand how your home functions. It provides clear explanations and illustrations to help you maintain your house. The book uses visual aids to explain complex systems. This makes it easier to grasp the concepts and apply them to your own home. Learn how to keep your house in top condition. This guide offers practical advice on maintenance and troubleshooting common issues. RSMeans provides valuable resources for homeowners. This book is a reliable source of information for anyone looking to understand their home better. This guide is designed to empower you with knowledge. It helps you become more confident in managing and maintaining your property. What we like. This visual guide helps you understand how your house works and how to maintain it. It provides clear explanations and illustrations. If you want to learn more about your home systems and how to keep them running smoothly, this book is perfect for you. What people say. The manuals are well organized and easy to follow. The diagrams and illustrations are clear and helpful. The manuals provide detailed information about the appliance's functions and troubleshooting steps. Number 1. XMHF KSD301 Thermostat for Household Electric Appliances. Introducing the XMHF KSD301 Thermostat, designed for household electric appliances. This is a manual reset thermostat, ensuring safety and reliability for your devices. Made with metal and plastic, it features a sleek black and silver tone design. The robust construction ensures it can withstand various operating conditions. This thermostat is set to activate at 150 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches this point, it will automatically shut off the appliance. It is rated for 10A at 250 V, making it suitable for a wide range of appliances. This rating ensures that it can handle the electrical load safely. The KSD301 is a normal closed-type thermostat. This means that it will cut off the power when the temperature reaches the set point. Each package contains 5 KSD301 thermostats. They are lightweight, with a total weight of 48 g, making them easy to handle and install. What we like. This thermostat features a manual reset function for safety. It's designed to handle high temperatures and is suitable for various household appliances. If you need a reliable and safe temperature control component for your appliances, this is the one to choose. What people say. The manuals were well organized and easy to follow. The diagrams and illustrations were clear and helpful for understanding the appliance's components. The manuals provided detailed troubleshooting steps, which helped in resolving common issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.